It's Friday night, and your man calls, and he says,
"Babe, I'm going out tonight."
"You what?"
Make a scene.
Just kidding. When your man calls you and says that he's going out, do not start a fight. Who's that in the background? Who's that in the
He's
background?
got the line.
And on the eyebrow.
He did his eyebrow.
Why you got a line through your eyebrow like that? Who
Leave
checks
him.
it? Instead, ask yourself this. Do I love this man? Do I trust this man? Do I know this man?
Sorry to this man.
Tip number 1,
Keep busy.
read a good book.
Call your dad.
Go to work.
Do the kangamea that you have been ignoring for 3 days.
Vacuum the house.
Anything.
Look after your sister.
Start a business.
Tip number 2, don't overthink.
You don't need to know the license and registration number of a sober driver, okay? Malolo. Malolo sunga.
Farmalosi.
Farmalosi.
Uzos and kangays.
Because chances are it's probably all in your head.
Exactly.
So you're working yourself up for nothing.
Unless you are working yourself up for something.
Who hurt you? Leave that man alone.
Do not blow up his phone.
Don't be texting him and asking him to send you photos with a fork in his head to prove that it's a photo that he's just taken with his friends.
Please don't do that. That is crazy.
She's done it.
Maybe.
All in all, relationships are built on trust, and it's important to let your partner make his own decisions, including going out with his boys.
Exactly. And listen, sis.
Sis.
If you don't want to get harassed when you go out, then it's best not to harass your boyfriend, because when the time comes for you to go out, he's gonna be blowing up your phone. So don't do it.
And that's us. Come back next week.